Repairing the vindum valve is mainly about disassembly, cleaning, seal replacement, and reassembly while maintaining its precision tolerances. These valves are high-accuracy, high-pressure lab components, so the repair process is more like instrument servicing than fixing a standard plumbing valve. Important before you start. Work in clean environment to prevent contamination. Follow manufacturer specifications for torque and parts orientation. Wear gloves, finger oils can affect sealing surfaces. If the valve handles hazardous chemicals, fully decontaminate it first. Typical repair steps. Isa, preparation. Shut down and depressurize the system. Disconnect all tubing and mark port positions. Have the correct repair kit, O-rings, seals, rotor, lubricant. Dalawa, disassembly. Remove actuator or handle, depending on manual or automated type. Unscrew retaining bolts or housing screws. Carefully lift out the rotor assembly, avoid scratching the sealing faces. Remove old seals, O-rings, and gaskets. Tatlo, cleaning. Clean all metal parts with a non-abrasive solvent, isopropyl alcohol or compatible fluid. Inspect for scratches, pitting, or corrosion. If surfaces are damaged, they may require factory lapping or replacement. Apat, seal replacement. Install new O-rings and seals from the repair kit. Apply a light coat of manufacturer-approved lubricant. Never use petroleum grease unless specified. 5. Reassembly. Place rotor back in correct orientation. Align housing parts carefully to avoid pinching seals. Tighten bolts evenly and to specified torque. Reinstall handle or actuator. 6. Testing. Reconnect to the system with low-pressure fluid first. Operate through all positions to ensure smooth turning and no leaks. Increase pressure gradually to working level and verify performance. Assembling the vindum valve is basically the reverse of disassembly, but because these are precision high-pressure lab valves, the process must be done with exact alignment and care to avoid damaging seals or flow paths. Preparation. Work in clean bench area, dust and grit can ruin seals. Have all parts laid out in order: body, rotor, seals, O-rings, bolts, handle, actuator. Use only manufacturer-approved lubricant on O-rings and sealing surfaces. Confirm port numbering orientation before starting. Assembly steps. Install seals and O-rings. Lightly lubricate each new O-ring. Seat them in their grooves on the rotor and/or body. Ensure they are not twisted or stretched unevenly. Insert the rotor. Align rotor flow channels with the correct port positions, refer to diagram or position chart. Carefully lower the rotor into the valve body, avoiding contact with sealing faces. Do not force, the fit should be smooth. Align the housing. Place the top housing or cap onto the valve body. Ensure dowel pins or alignment marks are matched. If the design uses thrust bearing or washer, insert it in the correct order. Tighten retaining bolts. Insert bolts and tighten in a crisscross pattern to avoid uneven compression. Use the torque value specified. EOE vindum engineering, important for high-pressure sealing. Do not over-tighten, it can crush seals and scratch faces.